Today we are going to show you how to install the Duplicator 7. If you have just received the Duplicator 7, you need to install the machine. And there are 3 steps for you to install the printer. So the first one, find the slot to match the slot on the belt platform. Insert it until the end of the slot, so you lock it. Step 2. Insert the cable, the power, into the power socket and connect it to the power socket. There are another 2. One is the USB cable. Insert it into USB and also your computer USB slot. Make sure your computer get a HDMI cable connector and connect it to your computer. Okay, you have finished the first step. So then we go to the second. We need to adjust the software on the computer. Hello everybody. So let's go to the step 2 to configure the screen, the computer screen and your software. So now right click your mouse and click the display. And here are 2 displays. The first is primary, which is your computer. The number 2, this is your printer screen. So click it and make sure it's lateral. This is correct one. So it's already lateral. And then if it's not, you need to make sure the secondary display is lateral. And then you click the commit or apply. For me, it's already lateral, so I don't have to change. But if your computer cannot recognize it, you will need to change it to lateral. And then commit. Okay, so now let's go to the second step to configure the software. If you have decompressed the creation workshop, you will get the file. And you will see the creation workshop logo, which is the exe file. Double click it. So it start initialize, and then you need to config. Click config. Let's configure the machine connection first. Click the config here. So you will see the port. Now the computer has already found the port, which is COM5. So it's already. So you just choose the COM5 and then you click OK. So the connection config is OK. Now let's go to the display config. Here are 2 display. One is 1536 by 864, but we are using the 2K display, so choose the second one, which is 2560 by 1440, and then you plus. So they will add the display into this column. After this, you need to apply. Okay, so software has accepted your display and also the connection configuration. So now we need to open one file. So you can choose any file in STL, OBJ, 3ds, AMF. So anyone. Let's choose one. Link. And click open. And don't forget to 3D view. So it come out. You will see it's oversized out of the printing area. So I will make a scale to make it smaller, maybe 50%. Click OK. So it's in the middle now. Then we need to add the raft and the support. Here you click the raft. So and the base, there will be one raft, which is exactly under the printing object. And you can also add the support. If this is by yourself, you can choose any place you want to add the support, or you can choose automatic, which will automatically add plenty of the support. Okay, then you can choose the connection. After you click the connection, it will highlight the disconnection, which means it's already connected. So now let's slice it. This logo means slice. So click it and it will start default slice. It takes just several seconds to finish the slicing. And then you need to move the Z axis up. You just click the plus Z, which will move the printer 5 millimeter or 50 millimeter. So you can see the screen. And then you can press start. So now the printer started printing. So you will see the UV LED, which is projecting onto the LED screen. You will see the base of the print here. This will be projected on the screen. So if this is alright, which means you have already finished the configuration of the software and the screen. So you need to go to the next step. So now let's go to the step 3. First, turn on the printer. And then start the creation workshop. So you can read the platform to check it workable or not. Connect. And you can add any file. It doesn't matter, we just taste. So the file is inside, now it's too big, but it's okay, it doesn't matter. We just check the first layer. So we added the support. So you will see this is the first layer. So we are going to see this layer first. Okay, so we must raise the platform up to check whether the UV light can project onto the vat, onto the film. So we will see this. The first we need to raise the platform, you click the plus Z, so it will raise 15 millimeter each time. So I press 1, it will be 15 millimeter, and I press again, so it's 10 centimeter or 100 millimeter. Okay, after we raise it up, so we are slicing. Slicing, you see here's one of the slicing logo, you click and start the slice. So it finished. Then we start. Go. Play. See? If these are the same, this first layer is projected onto the vat. So can you see? Maybe I should go near so you will see. Did you see? The UV projector project the first layer onto the screen, so the resin can get curving by this light. So we have finishing installation of the printer. So now you can start printing. Thank you for your watching.